This summer I celebrated 10 years on YouTube and also 15 years of PDF sewing pattern sales. Sewing for Beginners goes back 6 years. Here are the garments I made with some of the fabrics featured. The type of fabric you choose will help you to be successful while you're learning. A lightweight tweed such as this is a great starting point. So I made up my pinafore dress pattern for the second time on camera. It was featured in my Make a Dress 2 adding a lining and is free to download from my site. Avoid plain silks. Satin is particularly tricky. Plain sheers. Plain dressy fabrics in general are best left until you have more experience. Every wiggle and pucker will show up. Fine suiting fabric needs some skill, and when you have stripes and checks, matching is an added complication. I made 2 garments with this fabric, both based on the panel dress block, the classic panel dress and the panel jacket, which looks equally good worn casually with my selvage jeans pattern and is great as a suit with my pencil skirt pattern, featured in a minute. Start with lightweight denim and chambray. Pure cottons always press up well. Patterned silks are easy to work with. Lace is fun and not at all difficult. Bold patterned fabrics that don't need matching. Simple construction using bold fabrics is easy to achieve for even the first-time seamstress. I used this fabulous John Caldor print fabric for, amongst other things, my sleeveless top pattern tutorial, which also appears on my free patterns page. Shown here with another jeans pattern, the authentic jeans made up in the lightweight grey stretch denim. The silk yardage I made up using my classic silk shirt pattern, worn with my roll collar coat pattern. Check out the sew along for both these patterns. Check out lightweight furnishing fabrics. There is a lot of scope here for bold prints for impact. I found these 2 lengths in the remnant bin this week. I'm hoping there is enough of this for a little cropped jacket to go with blue jeans. And this lovely stripe would also make a super jacket for the evening. Lastly, for the time being, I used the trailing flower furnishing fabric for my fully lined pencil skirt pattern, and also featured it in the comprehensive sew along tutorial. So look out for the Sewing for Beginners 2-part series, and whether you are a beginner or not, please check out all the patterns mentioned here on my site angelakane.com. Membership to download all my patterns is reduced from £45 to only £15 with my lockdown coupon. Thank you all for supporting my endeavours over the last 10 years here on YouTube.